Hi, thank you very much. I'm going to share my one project details. This was entitled Investor and Portfolio Company Data Research, and I completed this project last couple of months back. So, if I share you some of the details about the project was involved researching XRVR and gaming sector investors to support the clients' omnidirectional treadmill loans. I gathered contact details, LinkedIn profiles, and portfolio company information for 2 to 4 companies per investor using tools like LinkedIn Sales Navigator, Crunchbase, ZoomInfo, Apollo, Hunter, and Signal, and many other tools. I prioritize VR, XR, and AR investor while ensuring accuracy and relevance. The data was compiled into a detailed Excel spreadsheet aligning the client requirements. There was a regular communication with the clients, so I ensured a very high quality, and these regular updates and clear communication allowed me to address the feedback promptly. My dedication, efficiency, and attention to details ensured the project was completed on time, exceeding expectation and earning the client's appreciation for high quality results. That was a very successful project, and I worked couple of days on this project. So, and I get a very appreciation, though there is no feedback, but there was a very good appreciation. I think the client didn't get time to uh, give me feedback. So, however, thank you very much for visiting my profile. And for any kind of web research service, please log me and let's collaborate together for any taking any kind of web research service. Thank you very much. Bye.